Hey everybody, so now we're going to take care of some animals here. As you can see, they need water, straw, grass, silage, hay, and power food. So that's what we're going to be up to now. We actually have 102 now. We've increased quite a bit. I bought some more because we had some excess money. So anyway, we've got our Massey Ferguson here with the loader on it. I think we'll start off with some straw. If I can get a bale here, ruining the whole pile. I did see that new bale storage building, and of course it came out right after I had this building and I filled it up. So I'm probably going to implement that sometime after or close to when I run out of bales in this building, because the other one stores grass bales and all bales that are these rectangle bales, unlike the this current building where you have to stack everything. It's kind of a little bit of a pain, I guess. Not the worst thing in the world, but the new building will be a lot less work. So I think what we'd end up doing is demolishing this building and putting the new building in its place. Because I think, as you've seen in the sugarcane harvest, I did talk about being done with sugarcane. I've talked about it before. If we sold those two semi-trailers that we use for sugarcane, I could move my hay equipment over into that shed, and then we would have the space. And then we'd have more money to do more other fun things here, like have even more cattle, or try different combines, or other equipment if you guys specified what you'd like me to do in. Let's see. Nope, wrong one. Okay, we're gonna drop that off. I'm gonna come over here. We're gonna give them some straw. Hopefully, I got enough in here. 4,000 liters. There, it's shooting some straw over there. Goody gumdrop. Alrighty. Let's see. Oh, I think we're gonna need more straw than that. And I think we're gonna need enough that it might make sense to put on the other forks. So we'll dump these forks off over here by the door. Just like that. And then we have this other mod over here. Kind of hard to hook up at this angle. There we go. It does say on the side the name of it. It is the Kotek Bale Grab. It'll do up to 4 at a time. That's how I loaded the shed here. Out here gently. Then we can lock the bales in with those spikes up there. Run over here and get rid of our. Oop. Must not have had them very good there, but we'll unlock them anyway. Ungrab them, however you want to say it. That in there like that. I am not entirely sure how many that can hold. We'll find out here. We'll grab 2 more and call it good. It helps if you can grab the bales kind of level with the forks. Back out here and clear the roof. Lock the bales. We'll drive with our forks lowered so we don't tip over our tractor. And we'll put these in here. We'll grab them there. Oop, oop, oop. Fallen. There we go. Oh, again, wrong one. It's too bad this thing doesn't have like its own power unit and can just run without a tractor being hooked to it. It'd be so much quicker to just dump the bales and go. Oh, we're getting good and full there. So we'll disconnect from here. I think we'll leave our weight over there. Like that. And then we'll take it back up to our water. I think this is full. Yep, well, it's close. So we'll see how much water we end up with in our water trough, if it's enough. Otherwise we might have to go fill it up. I do see our feed wagon over there does have a bit of feed in it, so that's good. We do need to get more water, so we will have to run over to where we get more water from. It's just around here. Fill that up. That'll just take a second here to fill up. As you can see, we do have a slurry wagon there, a slurry tank, so that for the time being we can sell our slurry. I don't imagine we're going to make much money off of that, if hardly any, so it might not be worth it, but we're going to try it anyway. Otherwise we just have an extra bulk tank sitting there for slurry that we can eventually try and use in the fields, but I don't think with only 102, 103 cattle that we're going to produce enough slurry to be able to have enough for out in the fields so that we can stop buying fertilizer. Alrighty. More water they take, quite a bit I'm guessing here. Oh, they're getting up there, they're in the green, that's better. We will have to make time to make more grass. Let's see, too far. As you remember, we made this whole field in the grass. We'll probably be making this in the grass. And we have a little strip here of grass, so we're probably going to have to make more grass bales. I'm not sure what we have on hand. We'll find out. Let's see here. Okay, so we have enough water. We'll leave that empty there. I'll fill that up later off camera. Okay, so now we'll go over here to our power food wagon. Dump 18,000 liters of power food. Hopefully that'll suffice, and then we'll get some more here. We have the forage storage there. So we'll turn around. Get right up to it here so we can fill up. Press our R button, so we're filling up with that. Ooh, looks like we got some hungry cows over there. Nice thing about having cows here is we're getting liquid manure, and the milk tank. 51,000 liters of milk. That helps greatly when it comes to the budget. That's quite a bit of money. It covers our operating costs at least, and then we get a little profit off of it. So having cattle is definitely worth it. It's a little extra time in between the grow season, something to take care of, because our sunflowers definitely aren't ready yet. Probably have another whole day of growth on those. Just there we are, we're nice and full of power food now, forage. Alrighty. We'll stick the wagon closer to the one edge so it's not in the way when we come through with other wagons and equipment. I want to clip it with the front of a tractor. So we'll dump some more of that in there. And we're going to have to figure out where my grass bales are. I don't think that we used them all up, but we might have. Okay. Disconnect from that. If I do have any grass bales, they're over here. And aren't any more grass bales, so that means I have to make some, which will be in another video, because I have to mow this and mow all this over here, which looks like it's actually getting ready. So I think it's probably time we make that video up next, which will come out in a couple days, of mowing and producing grass bales, because we definitely have enough hay bales here to get us by for a while. So anyways, thanks for watching. Please comment, rate, and subscribe, and we'll see you again soon.